peace. It's not pleasure, right? Everybody thinks that happiness is getting more pleasure than as you get. There is nothing more agitating your mind than extreme. It's like peace. Assalamu alaikum and a warm good morning to one and all. Here I am Mirna Kader, class teacher of UKG A. We are presenting our first online assembly 2021-2022. So first I would call upon Mihran Malik for the prayer.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Thank you, Mihran. Next, I would call upon Muhammad Rehan Faiz for the pledge.
Hand forward, pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat them with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in the well-being and prosperity and life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Muhammad Rehan Faiz. Next, I would call upon Amra Suhail for a rhyme.
Hi, let's see about weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? All together, all together. That's the weather like today. Look, it's windy. Look, it's windy. Look, it's windy, everyone. Fly a kite, fly a kite, fly a kite like today. Look, it's windy. Look, it's windy. Look, it's windy, everyone. Fly a kite, fly a kite, fly a kite like everyone. Look, it's rainy. Look, it's rainy. Look, it's rainy, everyone. Jump in the puddle, jump in the puddle, jump in the puddle, everyone. Look, it's sunny. Look, it's sunny. Look, it's sunny, everyone. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming, everyone. Look, it's snowy. Look, it's snowy. Look, it's snowy, everyone. Get the snowflake, get the snowflake, get the snowflake on your tongue. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? All together, what's the weather like today? Bye, thank you.
Thank you, Amra. Next, I would call Ms. Shafina for the parent talk session, mother of Yusuf Shahan.
A very good morning to my children. Today I would like to share few words on the topic good manners. At school, we not only learn from books but we also learn good manners. We learn to be polite with everyone. We learn to wish everyone. We learn to use the four magical words. Thank you, sorry, please, and welcome. We learn to talk softly. We learn to always care and share. We must obey all the school rules. We should be punctual and well dressed wherever we go to school. We must look after the school properly. There are so many people helps to make the school so special. Principal, teachers, librarian, office staff, peon, cleaner, gardener, watchman, etc. Each and everyone is very important. We must respect them and graceful to them. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Shafina, for sharing us your valuable ideas. And practice is a key to your goal. With this beautiful thought, we wind up our assembly for the day. Thank you all. Thank you once again.